I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob, what was you thinking? Remember them days and that shit was hard, a nigga been thinking. I put a 4 in a 20 ounce, a nigga been drinking. Yeah, if you with the squad, I give you my heart, a nigga, I mean it.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Wave Poppy Cunny. Today, I'm gonna be showing y'all a quick unboxing video, you know what I'm saying? Something like for the feed, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, you know what I'm saying? So let's get straight to the video. So today, what we got in this box is the Jordan Gym Red 12s. You know what I'm saying? I ordered these a while back. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. See what's in the box, you heard? Some slight, you feel me? Got the little stock X. Stock X, just to let you know where I got these jumps from. You know what I'm saying? But let's take a look at this shoe right quick, right? You see it. The details. The details, you feel me? Verify, you right? Check them out. You see them? Check the bottoms. Some slide. These are the Gym Red 12s right here, y'all boys. Y'all wanna cop them? Go crazy. You know what I'm saying?
Stop waving at these niggas. Amen. Waving at these niggas.
Sawed off shotty, Reebok pump a nigga. I kirk out for them Franklins, I stomp a nigga. Virginia mine, I dump on them and throw the gun away. The shoe fits wet, nigga, now run them penny harder ways. You can't have a conscience when you a god, nigga. What the fuck is a city to a Godzilla? Okay, now everybody tough, everybody buff. Tell you shoot at their feet and watch them double dutch. Oh no, now dance little nigga, dance little nigga. You by yourself now, what's the plan little nigga? Gon' make it bang, gon' make it bang. Pusher just want the money, I'm taking everything. Hand me the ratchet, put everything in the basket. All of the paper and plastic, hollows don't giving them out. Running your house, sticking a gun in your mouth. Niggas turn religious when they staring at the devil. Pull that trigger, chopper, rock you like I'm playing heavy metal. Creep up on these niggas, creep up.